Choosing a school in Metro Manila can feel impossible. Thousands of options. It's overwhelming. I've helped families cut through the noise. Start with what matters most to you. Priorities and budget. Think about your child's learning style, visual, auditory, or hands-on. If they love tinkering, go for a STEM-focused school. Talk to their current teacher. Watch them at home. Set non-negotiables. Commute, curriculum, facilities. Aim for under 30 minutes on good days. Visit shortlisted schools. Ask about hybrid learning and labs. I put this into a quick checklist. Tap the link to get it now.
Schooling costs. Basic public schools might cost just a few thousand pesos a year. Private schools can jump to 100,000 pesos or more per year. Top international schools may exceed 500,000 pesos yearly. Tuition often includes books and activities, but extras can add up quickly. Watch for added costs like uniforms, bus fees, or gadget purchases. Some schools charge lab or sports levies that accumulate over time. Build a budget in layers, from aspirational to realistic options. Dream big for elite schools, but plan realistic middle options too. Keep financial backups to handle surprises and future college costs. Factor in costs through high school and possible college loans later. Plan ahead to reduce stress as fees and choices change over time. Use apps to track expenses and keep school costs visible. Talk to other parents to get real insights on actual fees and extras. This approach keeps options open without breaking the bank. Metro Manila schools split into tiers, and understanding them helps narrow your search. International schools cluster in areas like Bonifacio, Global City, and Makati. Examples include Brent and the International School Manila, where global communities mix. Many international schools offer the IB program, which focuses on project-based learning. American-style schools provide AP classes that can yield college credits early. British schools prepare students with IGCSE exams that lead to UK university pathways. Costs at international schools can exceed 800,000 pesos annually, but include small classes and top facilities. These schools suit families with expat ties and an emphasis on English and global perspectives. Search online for cost breakdowns and possible scholarships to offset fees. Private schools in Metro Manila often deliver strong academics and character formation. Institutions like Ateneo and De La Salle have strong academic reputations and faith-based traditions. Progressive schools use Montessori or Waldorf methods that prioritize play and creativity early on. Local rankings highlight schools that perform well in board exams and university placements. Holistic schools combine academics with sports music and community service for balanced growth. Private school fees often fall between 200 and 400,000 pesos yearly, but aid may be available. Public schools can be excellent with institutions like Philippine Science High School leading to top universities. Quality varies by area and class sizes. In some public schools can reach 50 students. Recent upgrades improved labs and resources in many public schools after 2020. Public options win on affordability while still offering clubs and college prep opportunities. Now look at universities where reputation matters, but fit matters more for each student. Do not chase prestige alone and check whether specific programs match your child's interests. Engineering programs benefit from faculty with industry experience and strong lab links. UP is known for sciences and low fees, while DLSU has solid industry ties for business students. Check syllabi and faculty bios online to confirm course content matches career aims. Entrance exams like UPCAT and university-specific tests require early preparation and practice. Prep centers in Manila offer crash courses, but they come at a price. Mock exams and regular practice tests build confidence and improve scores. Admission steps now often include essays and interviews in addition to exams. Post-graduation outcomes matter, so review licensure, pass rates, and job placement statistics. UP engineering graduates often achieve high board pass rates, and DLSU shows strong employment numbers. Internships and industry partnerships like those at Mapua boost employability after graduation.
Evaluating faculty credentials and student-to-teacher ratios. Good teachers make magic. Look for master's degrees or work history in fields. A 1:15 ratio in elementary beats 140. HOSCA groups say 120 max for high school focus. Check school sites for staff lists. Small groups mean more help. Ask during tours about training. This builds strong bonds. Quality staff spots talent early. Pays off in growth. Scrutinizing safety, logistics, and school culture. Safety first in busy Manila. See drop-off lines, smooth or chaos. Security cams and ID checks matter. Culture shapes kids. Inclusive spots welcome all. Competitive ones push wins. Disciplinary rules should feel fair, not harsh. Traffic peaks at 7 a.m., so test routes. Inclusive cultures foster friends, not foes. These bits affect daily joy. Pick wisely for peace. Conclusion, making the final decision with confidence. You've mapped needs, scanned tiers, and checked spots close up. This roadmap turns chaos into clarity. The right school or college matches your kid's style, your budget, and family goals. No one-size-fits-all exists. Trust your research to pick the aligner. Start today, list priorities, and tour a few. Your family will thank you for the thoughtful choice.